163 is the natural number following 162 and preceding 164. In mathematics, 163 is a strong prime in the sense that it is greater than the arithmetic mean of its two neighboring primes. 163 is a lucky prime and a fortunate number. 163 is a strictly non-palindromic number, since it is not palindromic in any base between base 2 and base 161. Given 163, the Mertens function returns 0. It is the third prime with this property. The first two such primes are 101 and 149. 163 figures in an approximation of pi, in which 163 figures in an approximation of E, in which 163 is a Heegner number. That is, the ring of integers of the field has unique factorization for. The only other such integers are 163 is a permutable prime in base 12, which it is written as 117. The permutations of its digits are 171 and 711. The two numbers in base 12 is 229 and 1021 in base 10. Both of them are primes. The function gives prime values for all values of between 0 and 39, and for approximately half of all values are prime. 163 appears as a result of solving, which appears in the Ramanujan constant, since minus 163 in a quadratic non-residue to modulo all the primes 3, 5, 7, 37, in which almost equals the integer 262 quadrillion 537 trillion 412 billion 640 million 768,744 equals 6,403,203 plus 744. Martin Gardner famously asserted that this identity was exact in a 1975 April Fool's hoax in Scientific American. In fact, the value is 262 quadrillion 537 trillion 412 billion 640 million 743.9999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999. In astronomy, 163 Aragon is a dark main-belt asteroid, the namesake of the Aragon family of asteroids. In the U.S. military, USNS Parkersburg was a United States Navy tanker ship during World War II. US Barracuda was a diesel-electric submarine during World War II. US Blunt was a United States Navy Alamosa-class cargo ship during World War II. US Cinnabar was a United States Navy Trefoil-class concrete barge during World War II. US Concise was a United States Navy Admirable-class minesweeper during World War II. US Eastland was a United States Navy Haskell-class attack transport during World War II. US Livingston was a United States Navy Crater-class cargo ship during World War II. US McConnell was a United States Navy Cannon-class destroyer escort during World War II. US Utah was a United States Navy Abniki-class fleet ocean tug following World War II. US Vedette was a commercial yacht during World War I. US Walker was a United States Navy Wicks-class destroyer during World War I. 163rd Fighter Squadron, a unit of the Indiana Air National Guard, flies the F-16C Fighting Falcon. In American sports, Russ Howell at the Long Beach, California World Championship in 1977 performed a world record 163 full rotations in freestyle skateboarding tricks. In darts, 163 is the least number that cannot be shot with 3 darts on a standard dartboard. In transportation, Peugeot Type 163 automobile produced from 1919 to 1924. Messerschmitt Me 163 Comet was a German rocket-powered fighter aircraft. During World War II, Interval Avenue 163rd Street subway station, Bronx, New York subway station on the IRT White Plains Road line of the New York City subway in the USA. 163rd Street Amsterdam Avenue station on the IND 8th Avenue line of the New York City subway in America. The Bunch Park Metro Rail Station in Bunch Park, Florida, USA, at Northwest 163rd Street and 27th Avenue, set to open in 2014. Saudi Arabian Airlines Flight 163 caught fire at Riyadh's International Airport en route from Karachi, Pakistan on August 19, 1980. Iraqi Airways Flight 163, en route from Baghdad's Baghdad International Airport to Amman, Jordan, was hijacked and crashed on December 25, 1986. List of highways numbered 163. In other fields, 163 is also 163 is a year in the Islamic calendar that corresponds to 779-780 CE. The atomic number of an element temporarily called unhextrium. CD163 is a human protein encoded by the CD163 gene. The Glossen Opus 163 Waltz by Johann Strauss II. The number of days following the first day of Passover, used to calculate the date of Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year.